Everyone enjoys some coffee and light web browsing, don't they? While you surf the web for news or the latest celebrity pics, one of those tabs you recently opened quietly redirects to an infected website in the background. In a blink of an eye, a malicious piece of code scans your computer and finds an outdated software application with a nasty security hole. Malware starts pouring through that security gap, flooding your system. That's it. This is how fast a ransomware attack happens. Attackers locked you out of your PC and are asking for $500 in return for your data. So what went wrong? Was an antivirus supposed to protect you from these attacks? You see, the latest cyber attacks are so stealthy, they can sneak past your antivirus. 75% of these attacks are brand new and unlisted in antivirus databases. So reactive antivirus response is just not enough to deal with the million types of unknown, second-generation malware that breaks out every week. You don't need help when your computer is already infected. You need it not to happen in the first place. But when your antivirus can't keep up, Heimdall can. Once you install Heimdall, you're good to go. Under the hood, Heimdall's proactive engines are hard at work. To keep your apps from exposing you to cyber attacks, Heimdall updates them automatically. This blocks 85% of web attack angles and makes updates hassle-free. To ensure that malware doesn't infect your computer in the first place, Heimdall scans all your incoming and outgoing internet traffic. When it spots a connection to a malicious website or server, it blocks it. This way, malware can't reach your system and damage it. Traffic filtering also blocks malware from collecting your data and transferring it to cybercriminal infrastructure. We've all had enough of data breaches. Heimdall does all this and more in a split second, all due to its intelligence and predictive abilities. No slowdowns, no hassles. Security you can trust. Enjoy a thick layer of proactive protection each time you go online. Explore how Heimdall protects your data when antivirus products give up. Start here